to another vlog. Today we're gonna be going and getting the oil for the car and the truck, also the spark plugs. We're not gonna be doing it today, but I will be waiting to do it on the weekend if hopefully there's no rain. There's a lot of rain and truck's all wet, and well, the car is not that wet because I've been driving it, but the truck's wet from sitting here. So yeah guys, I'll pick it up when we're at Walmart. Alright guys, so we got the Mobil 1 oil filter, 101A, that one's for the truck, 103A is for the car, and then both of them take 5W30, and then I got high mileage and I got full synthetic. They don't have the spark plugs here, so we're gonna be heading to O'Reilly's to go get those. Alright guys, we're currently here at O'Reilly's. Shout out to Hecho Garras. I got these, the YouTube one and the Instagram one. Cost me like 40 bucks. So they're like almost like $9 each. But yeah guys, we will be heading to school, doing it at school tomorrow. And Autotech, because he has a lift, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we're currently here in Autotech. Got my boy Juan right there. We're changing the spark plugs too. We just finished emptying out the oil.
Certified master tech.
That was supercharged. Welcome back guys. I didn't get to record that much after the oil change because I had to clean up and stuff like that and put all my tools back, the tools I was using from the Autotech. And well, it was just a little bit weird recording at the school, but I tried to get as much as I could. But yeah guys, today I'm gonna be recording step by step how to change the oil on the single cap, so stay tuned. Just came back from Walmart, picked up this thing right here so I could hold it a little bit farther and stuff like that. Picked up this stand so that whenever I'm working, like today, on something, I could be recording and I won't have to be holding the camera, and I can use both my hands. Alright guys, we're testing out the stand. Pretty badass. Now I just take some clean pics of my Malona. Don't mind my dirty room though. And my girls' champions. Yeah guys, it looks pretty cool. Go all the way down to all the way up. But alright guys, let's go get this oil change done. Alright guys, this is how I got my setup pretty much. This is where I'm gonna be draining the oil into. The bolt is right there on the side of the engine. So yeah, we'll just drain it out, and it's a 15, or shoot myself with it or some shit, cause I think it's hot a little bit. Oh fuck, I knew it was God damn it. We fucked up. Alright guys, we're draining out the oil. As you can see, pretty old. So yeah, I was needing an oil change. Yeah, pretty much got it all out. A little bit spilled right here, but it's all good. Put some dirt on it. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for taking out the oil. Got the bolt all tightened up guys. Now we're gonna be taking off the oil filter, and it's right there, it's right above the oil bolt. So we're gonna get that off. Pretty much you could just take it off with your hand if you recently changed it before and you hand tighten it. But yeah, pretty much just one good little punch and it all comes off and just starts dripping down. You just wait till it stops dripping and then take it off completely. Alright guys, I'm gonna take it off completely now. Taking out the oil. I'm just gonna let it go. Reverse. Just put it all back together. I mean, put the oil filter back and just keep twisting. And then just do hand tight, so next time you take it off, it won't be that hard. Now let's lower the truck and get the oil in here. Alright guys, got the funnel right here, and I got my oil. Right here, it's right here, it's like a little black top, looks like this. That's where the oil goes in. I'm gonna go ahead and put my funnel and get the oil dumped in there. Alright guys, now I'm gonna be resetting the oil. How you reset the oil on this truck, you pretty much just turn the key on all the way and then just give it 4 times of the pedal, and then you usually should just reset. Yeah, oil life reset, and then just turn it on. And just let it run for a little while just so the oil could go through. But yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty much it for the video. I just want to thank y'all for watching and stuff like that, and we're almost at 100 subscribers, so I might be doing something for that. I don't know, maybe, I don't know, I'll maybe do a burnout or some shit, or I don't know. I can't really do donuts because it rubs too much, but we'll just see what happens once we get there. But yeah guys, just want to thank y'all for watching. Keep liking, subscribing, and more videos to come. Thank you.
Quizás mañana ya no existo.